In this video of Engineering Pritam, I'm going to talk about how to set up camera type in FreeCAD. For that, let's quickly go to Edit, and then we need to go to Preference. Then here we need to click on Display, and then here in camera type we can decide whether you would like to go with orthographic or perspective rendering. Although we can change this setting from easy location, which I can show you, but this is a place where you can set it permanently. I would say in my case I generally prefer orthographic projection because it is better for technical modeling and avoid any kind of distortion. While in case of perspective, I would say it is more realistic for visualization. Again, it totally depends on what fit your work best. So in this way, guys, we can quickly set up the projection type in FreeCAD. Another way where you can find this setting is if we go here in view. So right now this is orthographic. Let me change it to perspective. And now here we can see our product or part in perspective view. Now let me again go back to orthographic, and this is how now our part look. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD tutorial series, and I will see you in the next one.